Hi, this is our documentation of the progress of Echo of Silence. So as you can see, as I'm speaking to you right now, there's nothing going on. And then when I get quiet here in a little bit, the light will turn back on. But the solenoid is not working. Or it just works when it wants to work. Noisy. Quiet.
Yeah, maybe keep speaking and keep the shot so the solenoid is not hitting the ball now. Yeah, we
And
need
so,
to
yeah.
adjust the light.
And so right now the light is a little bit
Too sensitive.
too sensitive. So we may have to fix that. But as you can also see, the two-way mirror is working. It's magic.